berada di yoga centernya teman saya, Michelle, Mi Aerial Yoga Center. Nah, Michelle ini adalah seorang instruktur aerial yoga. Dia sudah lama sekali, sudah bertahun-tahun dia mengajar ini aerial yoga. Nah, apa itu aerial yoga? Mari kita langsung tanya saja ke Michelle. Hi Michelle, so happy to see you here and thank you so much for inviting me and your time for this interview. Now, I know that you've been teaching and this focusing a lot on aerial yoga. Can you share to us what aerial yoga is and how it differs from traditional yoga practices?
Aerial yoga is an exercise form of yoga with using a suspended hammock. This one, the fabric, the soft fabric, to help us to support our body in doing the flow of yoga.
Then what are the physical benefits of practicing this aerial yoga?
One of the benefits of practicing using the hammock is it's at the intensity for you to do much more deeper stretch and enhance your own flexibility.
Safety is a concern in any physical activity. So what do you think about the safety precautions should someone take when they're trying this aerial yoga for their first time?
The first safety precaution is you gotta place a foam mat right under the hammock, especially when you doing some immersion or you need to stand on top of the hammock. It's better for you to put a much more thicker foam right under the hammock. Okay, that's a safety precaution. And up to a lower hang hammock, okay, for the first time or the beginners.
Who do you think can participate in this aerial yoga, and is there any limitation of their age or their fitness level?
There's no any limitation actually, and no experience needed for you to practice aerial yoga. Not even yoga experience. If you don't have any yoga experience, it's alright for you to start the aerial yoga instead. Because the aerial yoga with the hammock, you have more support more than on the mat. Because the hammock, it may also support your body weight in doing or holding yourself in certain poses.
This is sound fun. Why don't you teach me some simple aerial yoga pose?
Okay, sure, let's go. This one, spread the hammock, open out, and then you find the edge of the hammock. Okay, you're going to fold the hammock in, fold about half. Okay, then you lift the right leg. Okay, bring your knee in.
Okay.
Bring your knee in.
So, okay, this one is
wrap your knee, kneeling in.
Alright.
Kneel in, yes. And then move your both hands to the left side, left. Okay, you're going to bring the left leg up. Tuck your left heel up, and then knee the left knee down. Slightly dip your hip down, dip the hip down, 蹲下来.
Okay.
Dip the hip down. Okay, you flip the left leg up, and then lift it up, bring it inside.
What? This one
Turn
is...
your body in. Turn it in. Yes, sit inside the hammock. Yes, good. So lift the left leg up to the front. Okay, and then see, open the hammock that right behind of you. So open, and then the front as well. So both sides, push it out.
Body lean forward.
Yes.
Wow.
Okay, nice. After this, then bring the hammock at the back, wrap it inside.
Okay.
Yes. And then you open the hammock that in front of you, left leg. Okay, step the left leg in. Okay, step it inside your feet. Yes. Okay, so your left hands grip all the hammock that in front of you. Left hands, and the right hands roll to the back. Armpit to the back, right armpit to the back.
Alright.
Yes, and one time come stand up first. Stand it up. Yes. Reach your hands up high. One more. Open the hammock out. And then you come into a standing position. Turn your hips to the right. 第二个没有站好。
Looks like.
Okay, bend the left knee. Okay, turn your hip. And then push the hips up. Extend left leg to the back. Drop your leg down.
Cannot.
This leg got a kick back. Yes. And then 这个手换一换下 change this hand position. Grip forward and front. Move your chest up and arch your back. Point your toes. Yes. Very nice. Okay, and then release this leg out. Step it down. Yes. And then you're done. Easy, right? You try one more time. Left knee up to the chest. Yes, and go through in. Yeah. Move it inside. Yes. Open this leg out a bit. Okay, now you open the hammock. The back. Yes. And the front. Push. Spread the wings. Push. Yes, and leave. Okay, bend the knee. And pose. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Wrap your feet in. Wrap it in. Yeah. And then the other leg. Step your feet. Here. Okay. Your hands reach up. You can try to hold all the hammock. More stable. Shoulder to the back. The right shoulder, move it to the back.
Right shoulder.
Yes. And come stand up first and make your leg open to the side. One more time. Hands up. 1, 2, 3, up. So the right hand lift up higher. Right hand high. Okay. This hand can release to the front.
I need to go down
Okay.
already.
Bend this knee and turn your hip facing to the side. Roll this leg to the back. If you only want to practice body conditioning, aerial yoga, not only about poses or yoga, it also can train your body by using body conditioning. Yeah, like Pilates.
Oh, okay.
Okay, if you want to practice like upper body and also your core, you can try this one. Okay, can do together. Okay, open the hands.
Okay, so different.
Yes, and then move it to the front. Okay, Pengenalan. Okay, soften your knees, slightly dip the hip down, and then one time
Cannot up.
and down and up.
Wow, Michelle, you're so strong one.
This is body conditioning. See, this one is the basic. Know how to grip the hammock firmly. See, all the fingers engage the gripping. It's the basic of the area, the hand grip. And then to engage scapula and the back. Plug the shoulder down and then dip your hip. Okay, you can use a little bit of momentum so you can lift your body up high. Shoulder plug down. Scapula.
Cannot. Baiklah teman-teman semua, semoga video ini dapat memberi inspirasi atau gambaran untuk teman-teman yang ingin mencoba atau ingin belajar mengenai aerial yoga. Nah, untuk info lebih lanjut mengenai Michelle, teman-teman dapat klik link Instagramnya Michelle yang ada di description box sana. Oke, sampai di sini, sampai ketemu di video berikutnya, dan tentunya jangan lupa untuk klik like, subscribe, dan share ke teman-teman lainnya. Bye!
It's my pleasure and nice to see you.